Today I am reviewing this electronic cordless robotic pool cleaner. They sent me this to review. It's really nice. It's actually very light. You can see the little cleaning brushes on the side, and it has these drive wheels and these rolling wheels. So we got wheels on all four corners. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. It is IPX8 waterproof. You can see the charging port here. It has these indicators right here to tell you how charged it is. Nice handle. Came with a charger, and it comes with this hook you can put onto a pole to pull it out of your pool. This is for flat bottom pools, and it'll work in pools up to 850 square feet. About a 2-hour run time, and the charge time from all the way dead to charged, which I just did, is a little over 2 hours. They say 2.5 hours, so it just seems about 2 hours, which is not bad. Means you could do it multiple times a day if need be. So what we're gonna do, first I'm gonna open it up. It just has very easy, you can see it here, just these little clips right here. You just pull right here and they open up, and you got the tray right here to clean it here. So that would be easy to clean. And you can see we have another immediate filter in there. See that mesh right there? So all very simple. So we're gonna put it in and let it run in our little pool and report back after it's done, and see what, we'll check this again to see what it got up. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And let's see it go. You can see all the lights lit up, meaning it's on. It's just kind of gonna start to get an idea what it's doing. Takes a second. It's got to get all the air bubbles out of it and all that stuff, and it'll start moving. There it goes. Wow, so it goes pretty quick. It's moving right along. You can see there's plenty of dirt in here. Bumps into the walls. Let's see what it does. It's going to reverse course. It sensed the wall. We're moving all along. Oop, another wall. Yeah, it definitely knows what to do. It's plotting out a course, and see how it's going on a zigzag pattern. Well, it's kind of turning too. I saw it turn right there. Just figuring out a lay of the land. Very quiet, which is nice. Even this thing wouldn't disturb you if it was at the bottom of your pool. So, you know, I think this is a great solution. Get back a little bit of your summer. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying it. See, it goes about its business. So I'm gonna let it do its course. See how it turns. That works great. It moves pretty quick, so it looks like it'll cover some ground quickly. I tested out another one of these and it was not fast. But I'm gonna let it do its thing, and whenever it's done, check it out and see what it picked up. You can see there's leaves in here and all kinds of other stuff. But yeah, let's see how well it works. And so it's all done. It's a lot cleaner in here. You can see here. But so yeah, maybe pull this out. You can see all the stuff it got, but take it out of the water and then get it straight out. Don't linger like I did. All right, so I pulled the cover off, and here is all the dirt and leaves. You can see it did a good job. Look at all that sand in the corner, all these leaves. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.